This dance is called Crocodile Shoes. It's a 40 count, full wall, beginner stroke intermediate level line dance. Starting on our right foot. Heel strut on the right, step the right heel forward, lower the right toe. Toe strut on the left, step the left toe forward, lower the heel. Repeat. So right heel strut, heel, lower toe, left toe strut, toe, lower heel. It's a bit unusual. Do that once more. Heel strut up on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Add on a jazz box, quarter turn. So cross left, right over left, step the left back, turn a quarter right as you step forward on that right, step the left beside the right. So let's just add that jazz box onto that top piece. Heel strut, toe strut, off on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close. Into some heel switches. So we touch our right heel forward, bring the right back beside the left. Touch the left forward, bring the left back beside the right. Touch your right heel forward, hook the right over the left. Touch the right heel forward, bring the right back beside the left. So that section once more then. Heel switches into that heel hook. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel, close. Let's add that to the top. Heel strut up on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel, close. Now we're going to do a very similar section to what we've just done. Heel switches, starting with the left foot. So we touch the left heel forward, step the left back beside the right. Touch the right forward, step the right back beside the left. Touch the left forward, hook over the right, touch the left forward, and this time we're just going to touch the left beside the right. So that section once more. Heel switch up on the left. 7, 8. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel, touch. Add that to the top. Heel strut up on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel, close. Heel and heel and heel, hook, heel, touch. Step the left forward, scuff the right through. So that scuff being with the heel of the foot making gentle contact with the ground. Step forward on the right, pivot yourself half a turn to the left. And we're going to continue turning left as we do a half shuffle, 1 and 2 count timing steps, quarter, close, quarter. Rock back on the left, recover your weight on the right, step forward on the left, stomp the right beside the left, clap twice. End of dance when you get to that point. So let's just do that section once more then. Step, scuff off on the left. 7, 8. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stomp, clap, clap. Now there is the equivalent of a full turn in that section where we do the step, pivot, half shuffle, turn. If you want to try and take that out, what you can actually do is you can rock forward on the right, recover your weight on the left rather than doing that step pivot. And then instead of doing the half shuffle, just shuffle back on the right. And you get into your back rock, step, stomp, clap, clap. So a forward rock, back shuffle instead of the step pivot, half shuffle if you want to try and take that full turn out. Alternative steps. But that is the end of the dance when we get to that point, so let's put it all together. Heel strut up on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stomp, clap, clap. So that's your dance. I'm not going to propose to go through the counts. There is only that one and count in it in that half shuffle in that last section. But it is a full wall dance, so let's have a go at the other 3 walls. Heel strut, half on the right. 7, 8. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stop, clap, clap. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stomp, clap, clap. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stomp, clap, clap. So that is your dance and your walk through. Let's give it a go to a bit of music. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stop, clap, clap. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stop, clap, clap. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stop, clap, clap. Heel strut, toe strut, heel strut, toe strut. Cross, back, turn, close, heel and heel hook, heel close, heel and heel hook, heel touch. Step, scuff, step, pivot, half shuffle, back, rock, step, stop, clap, clap. Heel struts. Jazz. Heel switches. Heel switch. Step scuff. Heel strut. Jazz. Heel switch. Heel switch. Step scuff. Heel struts. Jazz. Heel switch. Heel switch. Step scuff. Heel strut. Jazz. Heel switch. Heel switch. Step scruff.
Slip through my hands, and now I'm talking to the only friends I had. Crocodile shoes, crocodile shoes, crocodile shoes, crocodile shoes. They're crying too. They're crying too. Crocodile shoes. They're crying
Hope you managed that one.